everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bundll account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.bundll.com and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the Bundll.com button at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down from the main home page. You'll be able to see a close account button under support. Give it a click and fill in your information in the text boxes appearing on the display. Start off by typing in your first name that is associated with your Bundll account and then type in your last name on the next field. Now enter your customer ID, which is 10 digits long, and it'll appear at the very bottom of your profile page. After you are done typing in the customer ID, enter your address on the next field, enter your mobile number associated with your account, and if you've got an alternate phone, you can enter it on the next field. You can also skip the step since it's an optional. On the next field, type in your valid email address associated with your Bundll account and select your date of birth information. Check the box at the bottom if you are the account holder. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Submit Form. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to make a request to delete your Bundll.com account, and all you need to do now is to wait for the reply from their end. Follow through the prompts till the end in order to close off your account. That is how you can easily delete your Bundll account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.